Hello class. Today, we are here to study about different types of number systems, used all around the world. So, let's get started. We all know how much vital role numbers play in our daily life, from counting to measuring, and comparing to ordering things. Everywhere we use numbers. In various parts of the world, numbers are written and are read differently. Globally, there are three major number systems, used for reading and writing any number. The International Number System, the Indian Number System, and the Roman Number System. The Indian number system was invented by Indian mathematicians between 1st and 4th centuries. Later, by 9th century, this system was adopted by Arabic mathematicians, and finally, this came to be known as Hindu-Arabic number system. The major difference between international and the Indian number system is the placement of separators, or commas, while writing any number. On the other hand, Roman system uses special symbols instead of digits 0 to 9. In international numbering system, million is written after thousand, while, in Indian system, lakh is written after thousand. Lakh and crore are used in Indian number system, while million, billion and trillion are international units of number system. Now, let's start with international number system. So, how do we represent a number in international number system? To represent a number based on international number system, first, the digits are placed from right to left under the places labeled as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, and so on. They are also read in the similar order accordingly. To understand this concept, let's consider the following example: 12,487,623. How can we write and read this number in international number system? First step is to place the rightmost digit at ones place, then the next left digit is placed at the tens place, and likewise. Once this process is completed, commas are placed after every third digit, counting from the rightmost side, and this is how we represent a number in international number system. Now, let's see how the same number can be represented in the Indian number system. First two steps remains the same, just with a minor change in the labels, where the label hundred thousands is changed to lakhs, millions, to 10 lakhs, 10 millions, to crore, and so on. Now, after placing the digits under their respective labels, we place the commas. In Indian system, the first comma is placed after third digit, and thereafter, the commas are placed after every second digit. So, we read this number as 1,24,87,623. Folks, for now, we will take a break here, and we will continue this tutorial in our next video, which will brief you about the Roman number system. Till then, stay connected, and redirect all your queries in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe our channel.